A few days ago, my son enrolled for an online Excel course. I asked him to share the login details so that I could also learn a few tricks. Mom, what will you learn now? Was his immediate question. I wondered whether I have crossed the age of learning. Good morning, Toastmasters and mentors, and welcome to our first Zoom meeting. Back in 1993, a few days after marriage, I visited my parents' home. My mom handed me my CAIB entrance card. CAIB stands for Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers and Expert Banking Qualification. I secretly kept the card in my bag as I did not want my newly married husband to know that I have to appear for an exam in the next few days. But he was all ears and attention to what his newly married wife was up to. He inquired about the card. I told him that I have to appear for an exam in the next 2 days and how will I do it. But I got what I call the icing on the cake. He fully supported me and told me not to do any household work and only prepare for it. Even my mother-in-law was told not to disturb me and only feed me for those 2 days. The exam was on a Sunday morning. My husband drove me to the exam center, which was in the most crowded place of Delhi, just like Babel, Bahrain. He had taken his driving license just a few days ago and his skills were put to a test to reach the center. I was a bit nervous of failure in the exam after marriage and what my new family will think about me. But to everyone's delight, I excelled the exam and my record of passing every exam remained intact. In 2014, I was in India to take care of my father and I decided to complete the qualification which I had started in 1993. I appeared for the second part of CIB and cleared it. It was 21 years after I had appeared for the first part. It was a great feeling of achievement. The icing on the cake this time had been the extra increment which I got in my salary benefits on completing the qualification. A few years ago, when I announced to my family that I wanted to learn swimming, they were awestruck. My kids were like, "Here's mummy, who's always looking for teachers for us, taking us out to attend various classes and getting us back home, is now herself thinking of joining swimming classes." But the weather in Bahrain was just right to learn swimming, and I did not want to miss that opportunity. But guess what? When I found an instructor and fixed the time for the classes, surprisingly, my husband also jumped into the pool before me. He also wanted to learn swimming. I wonder whether he actually wanted to learn or he wanted to be around me when I was in a swimming costume. The icing on the cake this time is that now both of us can enjoy time in the pool together. Last year, when we shifted our home, I discovered my daughter's piano and I decided, let's do it, and started learning piano online. The progress has been slow, but my spirits are high and my determination is strong, and someday you may find me playing beautiful melodies on my piano, and that will be the icing on the cake. As Mahatma Gandhi has rightly said, that live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. Dear friends, it is my strong belief that learning is a continuous process. There is no end to education. Right from birth till death, we are continuously learning. For me, learning new skills brings the excitement, what the new icing on the cake the process will bring to me. By the way, joining C2A has brought a new spark to my Fridays. And I have also got the login details from my son and waiting for another icing on the cake. Thank you, friends.